Hello everyone, this is the Essential Calculus Problems series, and in this lecture I will solve a problem. Limit as x approaches to 3, x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 9. And let's write the problem again. Limit as x goes to 3, x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 9. Now we know the equation a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And here we have x squared minus 3 squared. And x is here a and 3 is b. Then I can write this limit as x goes to 3, x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Here we have x minus 3 factor and x minus 3 factor in the denominator and numerator. And these parts are important because as x approaches to 3, x minus 3 approaches to 0. And this is important. So if we substitute here 3, we will get 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3. And 3 divided by 3 or multiplied by 6 is equal to 0 divided by 0. And 0 divided by 0 is undefined. For that reason, we cannot use here direct substitution because 0 divided by 0 undefined. But I want you to think here. 0 comes from x minus 3 because since x approaches 0, x minus 3 approaches, since x approaches to 3, x minus 3 approaches to 0 here. Now, x minus 3 in the numerator approaches to 0 and x minus 3 in the denominator approaches to 0. But you should think that they are not 0. They are just numbers, and those numbers are approaching to 0. And if we have any two equal numbers, think of two numbers. For example, a is a number close to 0 but not 0, and the same a in the denominator. Those a's are equal numbers and they are not 0. Then we can cancel them and we can say that this will be equal to 1. This case is here also because we have here x minus 3 and x minus 3, and these factors are actually not 0 because x is just approaching to 0. X is not 0. So x minus 3 is approaching to 0. X minus 3 is not 0. So we can cancel them. And after the cancellation, we can safely substitute the value of 3 here. And we can say that this limit is equal to 1 over 3 plus 3 equals 1 over 6. Okay, in the next video we will solve this problem. The limit of the function x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3 as x approaches to 3. See you.